How to stream on kick.com with OBS. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you on how you could start streaming on Kick using OBS Studio. Now, first things first, of course, you're going to have to download OBS Studio from obsproject.com. You're simply going to select the specific version that is for you. For example, you have Windows, Mac, or Linux. You're simply going to download the corresponding system. And after that, you will be able to see this application over here. This is what we're using to record our video as well. And we will be using this to stream as well. So I will be teaching you how you will be able to do this. Now, what you're going to do first is, of course, go to kick.com. You're going to have to establish a connection between your stream OBS and your kick.com. To be able to do this, you're going to click on your profile over here on our kick.com website. So please select this and simply click on your creator dashboard over here. After selecting that, you will be redirected to this page over here. This is where you can see and monitor your stream. As you can see here, this is our stream preview, our chat, and the different options over here like session info, our activity feed if you want to see that, and your mod actions. You can click them and be able to see them. And as you can see right now, our session is currently offline and our time live is non-existing, so we haven't started yet. To be able to connect both kick.com and OBS together, you're simply going to click on settings over here on the left side, as you can see. So click on settings, and as you can see, there is the option to view the stream key, which is very important. So you're simply going to click this, and you will be able to see your stream key and stream URL over here. This is the different information, or these are the information that you need to connect OBS and kick.com together. Now going back to OBS, to be able to connect it, you're simply going to click on settings over here. By clicking that, you will be able to see this pop-up. Let's adjust the sizing for now. There we go. And what you're going to do is, as you can see here on the left side, you have your stream option. You're simply going to click that, and you're going to click on service. Now usually it will only show Twitch. This is the usual one. But when you click this, you will be able to see the option to click on custom. So you're simply going to click on custom, and now you're going to copy the information in this. So you're simply going to copy your stream key or your stream URL. Copy this one by clicking this option. Then go back here, and you're simply going to paste it over here. Same thing with your stream key. You're simply going to copy it and paste it over here. Now, you shouldn't share the information, especially the stream key, on the internet, of course, because they will be able to mess up your recording or mess with your stream. So after that, you're simply going to click on apply and click on OK. And that's basically how you could connect these two platforms together. Now, after that, you're going to go back to your stream over here. Now, there are different things that you could do with your kick.com dashboard that would allow you to change the settings on how you stream as well. Similarly with OBS, like the different sources. For example, you're going to stream with a game. Of course, you're not going to have a live screen capture like what we're doing right now, because they will be able to see your other screen when you switch on screens. Like for example, when we did this, they will be able to see the interaction or the change. And you don't really want that. You want it to stay on the game itself. For example, imagine this OBS is the game. You don't want it to be changing between different applications. You want it to only remain on that specific window without them recording or without them showing your other apps or other opened softwares. So to be able to do this, you're simply going to click on this plus button, and you're simply going to select either game capture, and you can simply click on OK, and then you could put all the information over here, like capture any full screen application or capture a specific window. Of course, you're going to select specific window and simply select the window of the specific game. And by doing that, you will be able to screen record the specific game that you are recording. And as you can see here, then you can simply have it as your source. Now, we connected kick.com and OBS together. To be able to see if it connected properly or if it's successful, you're simply going to click on Start Streaming. So when you click this, as you can see, it's connecting. and you will be able to see this information live over here. So when we go back to our kick.com, let's wait for it for a few seconds and it will connect with our OBS. So let's wait for it to update, and maybe you're going to need to refresh it, but there we go. As you can see, this is now our video. We are now currently live and our session is streaming. But as you can see, I have a slow connection, so my OBS would disconnect and reconnect every now and then. But that is how you will be able to do it. Very easy, right? You will be able to connect it right away. And as you can see, OBS is connected or reconnected successfully. And you will be able to see whatever we're doing right now. So I'm going to turn it off for now. Stop streaming. And by doing that, you will be able to start the stream. And there we go. As you can see, let's wait for it. It's going to stop any second now. And there we go. It stopped the stream. And you will be able to do a lot of settings. There's a lot of applications or a lot of apps that you could use in kick.com to be able to improve your streaming. There's also this platform called Own Pro, which would allow you to have amazing overlays, alerts, music, and tools. You could use this as well. As you can see here, this is an example. You could put this and install it on your stream OBS as well. And then you could have amazing intro or outro or all of this waiting screen, all of those stuff. And as you can see, I already have it over here, but we can't show it right now. But that's it, guys. That is how you will be able to connect your stream OBS with your kick.com. Very straightforward. Now let's do a quick recap. What you're going to need to do is go to your Kick over here, make sure that your settings are correct, click on the stream key, copy the stream URL, paste it on your OBS settings over here. Sometimes you're going to have to make sure that the information is correct, because if it's not correct, you have to double check. If it's not correct, it will not connect properly and you won't be able to stream properly. You have your stream key over here as well, and you're going to have to put it back in your server over here. Now you could check out your output as well for streaming. As you can see, there's video bitrate. You're going to change this depending on the performance of your computer. Of course, if it's lagging or it's not streaming properly, you're going to have to adjust your streaming settings over here, your different settings. And you also have your audio settings over here. You could change the informations like the different volume, all of those stuff. And you also have your video over here and hotkeys. Hotkeys are very important as well. As you can see, you can enter a hotkey, which would allow you to easily record or stream on kick.com without having any issues. So that's it, guys. That is how you will be able to connect these two platforms. So hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.